In this video, we are going to see that if we want to turn off the Google Chrome auto sign in so that it doesn't sign in into any email account automatically, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up the Google Chrome, and on the right hand side, we can see this 3 dots. Just click on that and head over to settings at the bottom. Now in You and Google, the first option, as you can see, it is syncing to any particular email address. But if you don't want to sync it with any one of them, just click on turn off. And it says that this will sign you out from Google accounts. Your bookmark history will no longer be synced. So if you want to make sure of that, just click turn off. If you are sure about that, you need to sign in to confirm once. And also what we can do is just click on sync and Google services. Just go in here and it says allow Chrome sign in. By turning this off, you can sign in to Google sites such as Gmail without signing into Chrome. So this is what you need to do. And after that, you need to close and just open the Chrome extension or Chrome browser again to make this effective. And that's how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.